Let's be honest. Weight loss advice can feel like a full-time job. Drink this magical tea. Eat 6 times a day. Don't eat after 6 p.m. You've probably heard it all, but here's the truth. Real fat loss doesn't have to be complicated. It's not about starving yourself or following trends that fizzle out in a week. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step daily routine that actually works. Not theories, but things people quietly do to burn fat fast and keep it off without going insane. So, grab a glass of water, because we're starting right now. Most people either roll out of bed straight into their phone or skip straight to coffee. But here's something powerful that gets overlooked. Your first 30 minutes after waking can literally set the tone for how your body burns fat all day. Start with a full glass of water plus 5 to 10 minutes of light movement. Think walking around, mobility stretches, or even dancing in your room. The point is to get your system moving. Why? It gently wakes up your metabolism, increases blood flow, and helps your body switch from sleep mode to burn mode. And here's a little-known fact. This low-intensity morning movement encourages your body to burn stored fat as fuel because glycogen, your body's quick energy source, is low after sleep. Bonus tip: if you can, step outside for natural light. It balances your circadian rhythm, which actually affects your hunger and energy levels for the rest of the day. The next is where people mess up. So there isn't just one right way, but picking a strategy that fits you makes all the difference. Option 1, intermittent fasting. If you're not someone who wakes up starving, intermittent fasting can help your body tap into stored fat for energy. The simplest version? Fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window. So if your last meal is at 8 p.m., your first meal is around noon. Why it works? It naturally creates a calorie deficit without obsessing over numbers and gives your digestive system time to reset. Option 2, high-protein breakfast. If you wake up hungry, don't starve yourself. A high-protein, fiber-rich breakfast keeps insulin stable and prevents the mid-morning snack attack. Think eggs with veggies, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, or oats with nut butter. Both work. What matters is consistency, not copying someone else's morning routine. Let's talk about the word everyone fears: calories. You don't need to download 10 apps and weigh your spinach to lose weight. The truth: fat loss happens when your body uses more energy than it gets from food. But instead of counting every crumb, do this. Fill half your plate with veggies. Low calorie, high volume. Make protein the main character of your meals. Keeps you full longer. Keep carbs and fats balanced, not banned. Stop eating when you're comfortably satisfied, not stuffed. When your meals are nutrient-dense and satisfying, your body naturally slips into a calorie deficit without driving you crazy. Little hack: use a smaller plate. Sounds silly, but it tricks your brain into feeling fuller faster. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to lose weight fast. What matters more? Consistency plus smart movement. A 30-minute power walk, quick hit, strength training, or a mix of both is more than enough. Not a workout person? Do 2 15-minute sessions, one after lunch and one in the evening. It boosts your metabolism twice. Moving after meals helps regulate blood sugar and encourages your body to burn fat more efficiently. Even 10 minutes of walking after eating can make a big difference over time. Here's something most people don't talk about. Your body doesn't burn calories the same way at midnight as it does at 6 p.m. Late-night eating often leads to mindless snacking, poor digestion, and fat storage. Try finishing dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, keeping it light but balanced. Think lean protein plus veggies plus a touch of carbs if needed. Even this single habit alone can accelerate fat loss more than people realize. Hydration is fat loss's best friend. Water isn't just good for you. It's a natural appetite regulator. Most people confuse thirst for hunger and end up eating when their body just wants hydration. Drink a glass before every meal. It helps you eat less. Aim for around 2.5 to 3 liters daily. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint if plain water bores you. Fun fact: drinking cool water can slightly increase calorie burn because your body warms it up to core temperature. No matter what you do, if you sleep poorly or stay stressed 24/7, your body holds onto fat like a vault. 7 to 8 hours of good sleep isn't lazy, it's fat-burning time. Cortisol, your stress hormone, can increase cravings and belly fat. Try a 5-minute wind-down routine at night. No screens, dim light. Breathe. That's it. You don't have to meditate on a mountain. Just let your body rest. Because recovery is part of fat loss. The secret isn't doing everything perfectly. It's doing a few things consistently. You don't need a crazy detox, a celebrity diet, or a 5 a.m. boot camp. You just need to build habits that your body can actually keep up with. If this gave you some real, no BS clarity, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which habit you're starting with today. And hey, don't just dream about your goal. Live the routine that makes it happen. See you in the next one.